I got everything ready to go this time. Walleye cooler, gas, battery, bag for all my necessities, and bug out trouble bag. I got trouble stuff in there in case something happens. I'm looking good. There's only 2 of us, so.
We're recording. He's on camera. He doesn't know. Maybe wait a minute.
You recording it?
Yes.
Oh, this fucker's slow.
Woo!
They're out there. We're in the smallest boat ever. We're headed out to the point. Look at the size of that boat, you guys.
I love this. I love
it. You don't need the biggest boat to have fun, you guys. They gotta just be loving it, you guys. Us goofballs coming by on a 14-footer. Oh, look, he's got a walleye. Look at it, coming out of the water. What is it? It's a walleye. I got it on camera. Hopefully they'll see this one day. Well, we got a walleye on camera one way or another, guys. Another nice boat out there, you guys. I figure I'll get him on camera. Something to do, something to see. You can zoom in out there. He's got his boards. Hey, they got their net out too. Might be a good day for us, you guys. We'll see. Well, we got 2 boards out there. One out yay and one out yar. Yeah. She's doing all right so far. Yep. That'll work. We got the big boom box going.
That was gonna poop on your head.
Oh my God, a jumbo perch! Look at the size of that son of a bitch! Huge, you guys! Let's go. Yep, in that way. Oh, it's a hunk of shit! A dirty sheephead.
We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google and an A+ at the BCC.
We got a sheephead and a perch so far. I keep working the carburetor adjustments to get it just right. Checking my speed app. I'll get it to where it works. The flag went down on that bird. That's okay. It's one of the mechanical ones. It'll work fine. I keep grabbing check the temperature of the water coming out of it. Nobody else out here. Nobody else crazy enough to come out here. No, we weren't skunked. We got 2 fish. A really nice game perch too. I wish I would have got another one for a real nice perch dinner. 2 more would have been ideal, but whatever. We're just trying to get used to the boat. I need a new trolling motor. There's no question about it, with a really nice, long-lasting battery. I'll troll with this until I can't anymore.
Yeah.
That's a white perch.
Oh no.
Here it is, guys. Is this the walleye? The whole time we were dragging with us. It's a rock!
Oh. Fancy muscles.
It felt big. I thought that was my walleye, you guys. Well, we got the train, you guys. You see it going by? And it's going the other way now, you guys. What the hell? I've seen it all. It went that way, the things didn't come up, and now it's going the other way. What in the Lord? I'm screwed.
It's gonna stop.
Oh, we're gonna stop. Oh my goodness. I'm done for you guys. There's no way out either. It was a good day fishing.